a regular evening around here where you got two embroidery machines going on the same dress. And super sheer cotton batiste. My husband's looking forward to this dress being done so that he can have a kitchen table again. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Super embroidered. And yes, I am watching My Little Pony. You just can't hear it in the background. You're not ripping that machine for me until I'm dead, Nora. Even though this one's fancier. The other one is still my trusty Elna. Nora today. So this one's Marie Antoinette at the Janome. And this one over here is doing the... So this one will also do a design up there. And then on these offset sides here, that's what this one over here is working on. This is the largest tube that this one has, about 7 by 9 or whatever.